How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 73 Plymouth Duster 340 done in Rallye Red. Very nice car. Real slick, flat paint on the car. It's real straight down the sides. Got the twin scoops. Just good looking car. Bumper's been re-chromed. It's original grille, all in excellent condition. See, it's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got the black Rallye stripe on it. Got a nice set of black chrome American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. It's got the rear gold wing. The rear bumper's all been re-chromed on it. Taillight housings all look real nice. Hey, these are cool little cars here. It's got the disc brakes up front. It's got power steering. It's got vintage AC in it. Nice strong running 340. It's got all ceramic coated headers and duals out the back. Got the heavy duty radiator. It's all detailed really nice under the hood. It's got the dual Rallye mirrors on it, driver's side remote. See, all the jams are real nice, door panels, everything look real nice in the car. It's all original dash and excellent condition. Nice headliner's real nice. Factory bucket seats, all been reupholstered in the front. The rear is original, but the fronts have been redone, new carpet. All inside the trunk's real nice. At the jack, spare, correct trunk mat in it. There's a good looking car in the Rallye Red for the black accents. Very, very nice. All the jams are all painted real nice. Get in this car, just go and cruise it and enjoy it and have fun. Fires right up. Side markers are all working. Got duals all the way out the back. It's got a posi, 8 3/4. Good sounding car. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan.